His school madrasatu ho. Okay, here we're going to study the possessive adjectives. His school madrasatu ho. So who is his? Madrasa, school. Madrasatu ho, his school. So what did we add? We added ho for male. Okay. But if we are talking about female, we don't say madrasatu ho, we say madrasatu ha, her school. Madrasatu ha, qalamu ha, kitabu ha, kitabuha, qalamuha, daftaruha, her copybook. Kitabuha, her book. Okay, so we just add the possessive adjective ha for her. They originally sound the same, isn't it? So her, ha. Their school, their school. Madrasatuhuma. So of course here we have two persons. We have two persons. For example, two males or two females. We say madrasatuhuma. Madrasatuhuma, their school. Madrasatuhuma. We're talking about two persons. So we add huma. Huma. Okay? So this is especially in Arabic. We have the pronoun of just two persons. Their school. Here we are talking about plural. Okay? Plural. Especially the male plural when we have males. So we say madrasatuhum. Even if we have some females with them, they are considered as males. Okay, we add hum, madrasatuhum. Madrasatuhum. Okay, and their school for females, we say madrasatuhunna. Their school. Of course, here we are talking about just females. Just females. And focus on this. If we have just one male with them, so they are not considered females, they are considered males. Okay, then we say madrasatuhum. If we have just one male with 1,000 women, but if they are just women, we say madrasatuhunna. We add hunna. Madrasatuhunna. Okay, you understood. One man affects 1,000 women, and one woman or many women don't affect other men. They stay male, or they remain male. Your school, madrasatuka. Of course, you are masculine, you are male. Okay, madrasatuka. Madrasatuka. Qalamuka. Kitabuka. Baytuka. Manziluka. Okay, misbahuka, your lamp. Or if we are you are female and I'm talking to you, I don't say madrasatuka, I say madrasatuki. Okay, we add ki for feminine singular. Madrasatuki, kitabuki, qalamuki. Right? Baytuki, misbahuki, hatifuki. Okay, daftaruki, qinninatuki. Qinnina is bottle. Okay, if we are talking to two persons, masculine or feminine, okay, they are males or females, and you are two females or you are two males, and I'm talking to you, I say madrasatukuma, madrasatukuma, kitabukuma, daftarukuma, qalamukuma. Okay, we add kuma. if your school, your school here, you are, okay, I'm talking to you and you are masculine plural or male plural, okay, you are just males, you are not females, and I'm talking to you, I say madrasatukum, your school, madrasatukum, madrasatukum, your school. So we add kum, okay, kum. Madrasatukum, kitabukum, baytukum, qalamukum, manzilukum, mal'abukum, your stadium, okay, fikratukum, your idea. But if we're talking to females, okay, just females without any male with them, we are talking to them, we say your school madrasatukunna, feminine plural, madrasatukunna, okay, kunna, we add kunna, madrasatukunna. My school madrasati, we just add aliya, madrasati, qalami, kitabi, bayti, misbahi, fikrati, my idea, fikrati, okay, akhi, my brother, ukhti, my sister. Our school madrasatu na, na, we add na, okay, for plural, madrasatu na. Great. Madrasatuna.